the echoes pulsating, setting the stage for the night. Galactic melodies guide me through the unknown. In this abstract hip-hop song, I feel at home. Navigating the depths like a jazz improvisation. New jazz rhythms set my soul in cosmic vibration.
So we are now here at the Perch. Yun lang maulan. Sorry, I'm still on my gym clothes. Bigla lang kasi napunta dito. But yeah, it's really nice here. If you want something na kita talaga yung city skyline, this is going to be perfect. However, these lots I think is going to be for cash basis. Oh my god, yan! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Nabasa! Grabe, basang-basa! Ang lakas ng ulan. Wait, let's wait for it to stop. Okay, so this is the view and these lots available. Ito, both lots are available. So it's up slope about mga 3 meters up. So it will have a view of the city skyline from the upper floors.
45 to 50 million.
40 to 50 million. Pwede siya i-bank finance.
Ay, ito kahit yung lote hindi.
Ito
Puro
hindi rin
process
pwede. Okay.
Kasi
Kasi yung title, no? Oo. Tapos,
pag bumababa tayo,
kaya nga kasi like if in case na
698 yung isang lote.
698, okay. Lot 5, oo, kasi semi-corner siya. Ito yung pinakita mo kay Jasper before. Kala sir,
Parang hindi.
baka yun. Nabili na. Maganda din yun kasi mas mataas. Ano ba yan? Anyway. Pero ito na lang po yung available. Lot 5 and Lot 6.
Ano yan eh, 1 to 5.
1 to 5 available pa.
Kasi parang nangyayari yun sa side.
Oo. Ito, bababa to. Bababa tong Oo, kasi ito yung concern ko eh. Pagka nagtayo siya, kung hindi to bababa, matatakpan yung view. Hala, lalo na naman lumakas. Pero ito maganda to. Itong mga sloping lots na to. Ito, block ano to?
Block 12, Block 12 din.
Block 12. Maganda to. Actually, ito yung mga gusto nung... May client po ako na naghahanap ng ganitong klase yung view. Kaso lang, ito kasi cash. Oo. Ito cash din siya. Cash lahat dito. Okay. Kaya mo share ko rin itong video sa'yo para magamit mo siya. So, ayan. Ang ganda talaga ng view. This is something na... Yung mga lots doon, in the future, ibibenta ba? O yun yung kay Mr. O.
Bakit eh? Baka yan, in the future, baka 60,000.
Oo nga, for sure. Kasi ito yung talagang sinisave ni Mr.
City
O.
view, ito yung malawak na...
Oo, itong side na to.
Yung side na may mga bahay na yun.
Ito. Which is sold out na.
Kasi yung palikong yun, parang Marikina area yung kita mo eh.
Oo. So iba yung view niya, hindi ganitong city skyline. Oo. Kapag Marikina view, iba na yung view. Okay. Yung vibe. Ang lakas ng hang. So we're done with the viewing. Sobrang maulan na viewing. But it's okay. Anything for our clients. But ayun, so we just finished looking at Block 12 of the Perch. Ang ganda talaga ng view in all fairness. So finally, it stopped raining. Kung kailan nasa baba na kami. But yun, I was able to get videos of the view. It's really nice. Very wide view of the city skyline. So we are now here at Phase 3G. I'm going to drone this area so that you can see the lots available and appreciate also the view right there. Ayan, galing lang ako sa ulan. Hala, nagkalat-kalat na lang ng makeup. But yun. So hindi naman ako yung papa. This is the view. This is ground level pa lang. From the ground level, you can already see the view. From here, this is the golf course. And the lots here are mostly sloping down. Ayan, malalim-lalim po itong slope na to. So you have a view of the golf course there and the man-made pond, which is the water reserve for the golf course. This one. And then city skyline on this side. You also have a provision of about 10 meters high pa. So imagine the view that you have 10 meters up. So we are just at the ground level. But sloping down yung mga lots here. We have 2 lots remaining at this phase. The area will be ready by 2026. As you can see, wala pa siyang road network. Pero I think I'm standing right now dito sa future open space. This will be an open space. Be careful, baby. So yan. So may available po tayo dito si lot 5 and 6 which will be across the park, the open space. So it's really nice. Those the properties are approximately 345 square meters each. The other one was sold already last week. Yay, finally. And then there's another one available beside it. Same size. That is lot 6 naman po yung available. This is the view. I don't think I need to drone it pa. I think this is better. This is a better presentation kasi I don't have to use the drone. At least you can already appreciate po the view from the ground level pa lang. So maganda siya. Sa gabi, makikita nyo po yung mga ilaw ng mga bahay dito po sa Antipolo area. So para na rin po may closer na view ng city. And then you have everything pa po. Complete view po siya. Golf course, rolling terrain. Saka elevated siya, so you're guaranteed that there will be no obstructions in front of your house. And it's also very close to the main spine road, which is about mga 3 minutes away from the gate of Eastland and Marcos Highway po. Mga uulan naman ulit. Ang dilim.
Friendship, oh friendship. Let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day.
Dito may nagpatayo na rin ng house dito. So we are about to enter phase 3A.
Yeah, but it's raining.
Ayun, ang ganda ng bahay niyan, taas.
And stop.
Ayun, ganda ng view. Ayun, no? Sa the Grand Hill. Baka hindi ako makapag-drone.
Yeah, that's because it's raining.
Oo, masisira yung drone. Ay, naku, lumakas na siya. Wala na, lumakas na. As in, mamaya pa to.
There's fog.
Anyway,
Oh, there's a fog.
oo nga eh. Tsaka napakadelikado because may construction pa. So I'll just send the drone video of the Grand Hill. I have a drone video here on file. So, ayan. If it stops, I'm gonna take a video. It has city view in here. Yeah.
Sino nandito? Bakit may kotse?
So baka yung mga engineers. And engineers. Wait lang, ulan eh. Now here at the Grand Hill. Hi po! Magte-take lang ng video. So, kaya nga eh, nabutan ako ng ulan dun kanina. Naku, may aso. Natatakot ako. Hindi naman po nangangagat. Tanggol talaga. Wait lang, gusto ko sanang puntahan yung view. Kaso lang. Yung aso ba na yun, hindi na nangangagat? Okay, sige. Dito na lang po ako dadaan. Dito parang medyo mas madali, no? Okay, wait. Sandali. So, ito yung status ng road network. And then, yan. So, there's an available lot here. We have one available lot at, so this is the view from the Grand Hill. So you have a nice view of the golf course. I also have a drone video of the Grand Hill which I'll post and attach to this video. At least you can have a better perspective of the Grand Hill. The view. Syempre pagka video, iba pa rin talaga pag actual yung makikita kasi iba yung kayang abutin ng mga mata natin. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano ako tatawid. Mabutik talaga. Oo nga eh. Siguro ano na lang, idodrone ko na lang baka sa kabilang side. So this is a drone video of the Grand Hill. I'm going to show you the location of the lots that are available here. It's raining right now. It's about to rain, I think. So I have to fly the drone very fast so that we can see the view. So the first property is a 302 square meter lot located at Block 1 of the Grand Hill. As you can see, it has a view of the golf course. It's a small cut. It has also a flat terrain. The next lot is a 408 square meter lot and a corner lot that is 385 square meters. The Grand Hill has a complete 360 view of the golf course, city skyline, and Sierra Madre Mountains. So it's really ideal for those who are keen on getting a property that has very nice unobstructed views. So if you are interested to reserve these properties, please do send a message and I would be glad to assist you. See you soon!